Hey guys, this is Tim Lauer over at Remax Paradise, and today I want to talk to you about passive income. So what is passive income? According to IRS, passive income can come through two sources: a rental property or a business in which one does not actively participate. How does that compare to active income? Well, active income is generated through hourly wages, salaries, and commission. So my goal is to replace my active income with my passive income. So how am I going to do that, you ask? Well, I'm going to work hard, save my active income up, and buy real estate that cash flows. Then I'm going to use my cash flow to start paying my monthly bills. This will enable me to save more of my active income to buy more real estate that cash flows and pay more of my monthly expenses. Now, eventually my goal is to make the flip. All my monthly expenses are covered by the passive income only. By doing this, I'm able to spend more time with my family, take more vacations, and have a better quality of life. If you're interested in replacing your active, hard work, labor income with investment properties that cash flow and generate passive income, let's catch up over coffee and discuss some of the investment opportunities out there. All right, guys, again, this is Tim Lauer, your passive income guru and the hardest working real estate agent on the Gulf Coast. Talk to you soon.